Now the next is contractionary fiscal policy. Okay, contractionary fiscal policy is just the opposite of the expansionary fiscal policy, and it works in case of boom period or inflation when the demand is very high. So just to decrease the demand, government takes some measures that is known as contractionary fiscal policy. So contractionary fiscal policy, fiscal policy, okay, government engage in contractionary fiscal policy by raising taxes or reducing government spending. So in expansionary fiscal policy we saw, in that case government reduces taxes, but in this case government increases taxes. In expansionary fiscal policy we saw that government, they spend the more, okay, so that they can create more demand, income can increase. But in case of contractionary, since it's already high income, high employment, okay, it's a boom period, so in this case government reduces government expenditure. Okay, so in the crudest form, this policy siphon money from the private economy with hopes of slowing down unsustainable productions or lowering asset price. So here everything goes down, okay, everything goes down so that there will be decrease in demand. So now just see it. Let us assume that it is the aggregate supply. Okay. Now previous aggregate demand is this. Okay. Sorry. Your aggregate demand is this one, since we are decreasing the demand here. So it is your aggregate demand. Now we are talking about contractionary. It means that it works in which period? It works in the recession or the inflation or the boom period. Inflation, not recession. Recession works in case of expansionary. We are talking about contraction. So here it's already in boom period or inflation period. So already demand is very high, okay, supply is very high. So here government motive is to decrease the demand. So here, as taxes will increase, it will lead to decreased demand. As government expenditure will reduces, it means people will spend more. So here you can see that demand is decreasing, demand is decreasing. As demand will decrease, price too will decrease, income will decrease, employment too will decrease. So in this way government control the fluctuation in the economy. Okay, thank you students. In case if you have any doubt, you can ask me personally. Thank you.